everyone, my name's Kevin. Welcome here. On today's episode, pan seared scallops with a beurre blanc. Alright, so to begin, you're going to take one shallot and get it going in the pan. And now you're going to add the liquids, which is white wine vinegar and white wine. And now we're going to reduce this. It's going to evaporate, roughly reducing it to about a quarter of what it was. And we're going to add butter. So I've got a quarter cup stick of unsalted butter here. We're getting pretty close here. It doesn't take that long. So I'm going to add the butter. Now you can turn down the heat a little bit. And now you're just going to stir this butter in. Constantly stirring, melt the butter. I am now going to turn the heat off and slowly whisk in some cream. So the next step will be to just strain out the shallots and our sauce will be complete. Now, I like to save these. I'll throw them on a sandwich, something like that. Don't throw them away. There we go. The sauce portion of this dish is done. There's the beurre blanc. There's me trying to say it better, but the white butter sauce in English. All right, goes great with seafood. So we're gonna pair it with some scallops today. Now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take a little bit of vegetable oil, about a tablespoon. All right, so we're gonna take a little bit of pepper here. A little bit of sea salt. All right, now they can go in the pan. So each side of this is gonna take roughly 3 minutes. So have a stopwatch or a clock near you that you can time these things. You're just lay them into the pan. Keep them spaced out. You don't want to crowd the pan. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my beurre blanc, pour it into my plate, like so. And that, my friends, is pan-seared scallops with a beurre blanc sauce. Thanks everyone for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate it.